Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce without brown sugar. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a base like tomato paste or ketchup, along with vinegar, spices, and a natural sweetener. We'll focus on alternatives like honey or maple syrup to achieve that perfect balance of sweet and savory. Remember, the goal is a delicious sauce that fits your dietary preferences. Achieving a balanced flavor is crucial. Apple cider vinegar is excellent for tang, while smoked paprika brings a wonderful depth. Don't forget a touch of garlic powder and onion powder for aromatic complexity. For a little heat, a small amount of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce works wonders. Taste as you go to ensure it's just right for your palate. Once all your ingredients are combined, it's time to simmer. Let your sauce cook gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. If you prefer a thicker consistency, a cornstarch slurry, made with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water, can be stirred in during the last 5 minutes. This ensures a smooth, rich texture. Now for the fun part, customization. Feel free to add a dash of liquid smoke for that authentic barbecue flavor, or try different spices like cumin or allspice to make it uniquely yours. This homemade sauce is perfect for ribs, chicken, or even as a dipping sauce. For more great deals and the link to those leak-proof containers, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, sugar-free barbecue sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.